Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CR-V, that generation from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the license plate light fuse is located, guys, also known as tag light fuse. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CR-V from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual, often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys. Here at the garage, we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here. Okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So the license plate light, guys, fuse, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on a 2015 Honda CR-V. You guys have two different fuse boxes. We'll be working just one of them. That's the good news. But bad news, guys, that fuse box, it's not easy to access because it's inside your CR-V on the driver's side. It's right above the dash. It's a little bit inconvenient. Look upside down above the pedals on the left side and you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain now why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. And here you can see that next to each fuse we have a number. Okay, that number makes it really convenient to find the one that we need. Now those, guys, you can see the numbers correspond to these fuses here, and the fuse that we need, it's a 10 amp fuse. We're talking about fuse number 34. That fuse number 34 is the one for the license plate light, guys, for the tag light. Hopefully the video will be helpful for any of you trying to find a license plate light fuse. Thank you for watching and see you next time.